Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see how we made these badges in shadcn and React. So let me zoom in a little bit. So we have this avatar name and a close button, and here we have some colorful badges. So let's just jump into the code and see how we're making this. So for the avatar badges, like this, I have a list of avatars names. So and inside I have something like this. So here we have a badge. So we are wrapping with the flex wrap so that this comes in a list like this. And here we have shadcn badge element with the variant outline. And I've added some flex item center with the gap one so that this has gap inside here. And padding left one and padding right 2. I've added padding left to 1 because these avatars way over here uh, should I can but even looking at this I can even reduce that even a little bit. So let's see how padding 0.5 works. Yeah, seeing it close like that, I think this can be reduced. Okay, I think this looks better. So yeah, so this I don't want any padding on this top left side, so I added reduce the padding over there, and I can have 1.5 in the right also. Okay, yeah, I think this looks even better. Yeah, so I've added padding and the avatar of size 5 and a next button icon button with the size 3 cursor pointer stroke to opacity 60 and on hover we'll change it to opacity 100. This actually can be wrapped with a button because I probably need a button for this. So let me just add a button over here. Okay. So in this button, we can later add some any state that we want. Okay, that's done. So let's move on to badge number 5, which is the colorful badges that we have way down over here. So first, this is telling to update everything to size 3. Let's do that. Perfect. Okay, here I have some same badge with some classes. So I've added BG green 50, text green 700, and hover BG green 50 because the normal badges have like hover state built inside them. So, but I don't want any hover state, so I'm just adding hover green 50 just to not default to the default hover state. So let me just remove the hover BG 50 and you see it has the default hover state that we have over here. So I'll just remove that by having a custom hover state to the same color as the background, and everything else is the same. I add an SVG with the size 0 and I rotate 0 for everything. So if I wanted to rotate the icon somewhere else, I can just update the SVG. And yeah, that's basically it. I've added some different colors for things like this, different border colors if I needed something, and even solid colors with the text white. So for something like similar to this. Yeah, that's basically it. So with Shatsi anyway badges, you have the ability to customize however you want, and these are some of the customizations that you can do. That's it for this video. Let me know if you like these Shatsi component videos, and I can make more. Bye bye.